Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create a vehicle service record tracker. So let's say I have like two bikes and I regularly service them to the service station. I want to keep track of how much I have spent on specific services and what was the mileage and the date of servicing. So what I can do is I can create a new page. Here I will choose table as database, right? And then new database where we have this table. So instead of name I will replace this with service type, right? You can additionally edit the properties if you want, but let's keep it to this name. Then there is a tag which I don't want. Then next comes one more column which is going to be a date property, right? Then you have cost which will be a number format US dollar, and here we will have to rename this to cost, right? We will also we need to calculate mileage, right? So this is going to be a number, right? You can also use number format for this, number with commas, percent, right? Or if there is any floating point specific, you can go with that. So I will go with number, right? And I can also add one more column for notes for anything that is missing within this tracker, right? Now let's rename the sheet to vehicle service record tracker, right? So service type, let's say I fixed the engine oil fixing. Then we have date for this, which is going to be, let's say 8. Then cost was 19.99, right? Then mileage at the time was 26,663, right? Notes, fixing for bike 1, right? Similarly I can keep on adding additional entries for this particular tracker. You can also add particular color to these columns or the recording rows, right? So this is short for your vehicle service record tracker. You can extend or compress this table and see if that works for you.